The blueberries are a very good plant. If you treat it good, they treat you good. My name is Hector Buitrago. I'm a retired federal officer, and now I'm a full-time farmer, blueberry farmer. I purchased this property 23 years ago, 21 acres. And I didn't do anything with this until I was planning to retire. Prior 2 years in my house, I planted a few, so they were very successful and I like it. So it's okay, we're gonna have a blueberry farm in my property in Greensboro. I retired in December 31st, 2014. And in January 1st, 2015, I was here in front of my property. The first thing was to prepare the soil. In order to prepare the soil, we have to have the tools. So I purchased a tractor. The first phase was 17 lanes of 42 plants in each one. The first year, we have a small crop of blueberries. Everybody that have tried my blueberries, the HEMI blueberries, they enjoy so much. I enjoy working for myself, and this is very peaceful for me. The work that I do is very peaceful and is very healthy for me. So I wake up 5 to 5:30 in the morning on my own. The first thing that I do is I do the coffee, and I do the old style of coffee. It's like boiling water in a bag with the fresh coffee from my grandmother's farm. And then I go and pick up the eggs and feed the chickens, fresh eggs, come back, and I fix some eggs. Every day I do 1 hour of pulling weeds from blueberries. It's a very hard work. When you say struggle and it's a labor intensive, yes, but I consider like enjoy it. If I work outside, I enjoy it. It's like I want to do it. Some people say, well, are you afraid to be by yourself sometimes? No, I enjoy it. And they have good neighbors. It's a safe place here. It's an amazing place. So the rewarding is health. I think health for me is a physical health, and also that I'm thinking that I'm giving something to the people also with the natural blueberries, with the good products.